if I am selling on Amazon and I am sending traffic to my Amazon listing, I will send that traffic from somewhere like Facebook, for instance, okay? So what I will want to do is two things. The first thing I will want to do is I want to send it to an intermediary page, a page in between Facebook and Amazon, a page in the middle. Now that can either be a landing page where it's all kind of laid out and it's a proper landing page that talks about my product. Genuine muscle milk talks about that. And there's a reason that you would do that, and it's a particular sort of strategy you undertake to do that. Or when I want to go basically directly from Facebook to Amazon, I send them to a middle page that they never ever get to see, that just auto redirects them directly from Facebook to Amazon. Now I told you this was going to be a little bit techie. Please bear with me. The reason I do that is because I want to put a Facebook and Google cookie on their server so I can remarket to them later. That's why I do that. So how do you do that? Well, what you do is this. So firstly, Sue asked me about storefront URLs. So this is a terrible example because there's people selling this. So let's go back. Let's just go for an easy to see example of how to do this. Let's find this one. There we go. ISO Pure. Hopefully they've not got anybody else selling on it. So other sellers on Amazon. Look at all these listing hijackers, man. Crazy. Crazy. Vega protein powder. How are we going with that? Bam, bam, bam. Vega protein powder. All right, so what you want to do is send them to your middle page. Oh, even that one's got bloody people selling it. So I'm struggling to find some listing that's not been hijacked. MP Combat, because I just want to show you the easiest way. Look at that, 18 other people selling their product. Crazy. And they asked me why they should be selling in Australia. What are they like? Organic. Let's do plant-based. Creamy. No, let's not do that. That's too much. So I'm just trying to go down and down and down until I can find something where it's not going to be super popular, where it's not going to be hacked, hijacked, shall I say. All right, so here it is. So this is sold by KOS Naturals. So your product will be sold by your business name, and you want to go and find the storefront URL. So KOS Naturals. Let's just take that search term. Click into that. And now I'm on KOS Naturals. I'm going to go to their storefront. And now I can see it, KOS Naturals. That's their product. And that's now, that URL there is a storefront URL. You can make it even sexier by putting the search term that you want to rank for in there, hitting search. And now you've got a search term optimized storefront URL. So that's the storefront URL that Sue was referring to earlier, and also that you would use as your ultimate thing. So let's take that and let me show you how to do it. All right, so hidden. This easiest way and the cheapest way is to set up a WordPress website. Don't need anything at all. And then what you want to do is you want to get a plug-in called Page Links 2. Let me just go find that. Here it is. Page Links 2. Here's the details about that. So write this down. WordPress site. Doesn't need to have anything on it at all, so don't worry about that. Just install that plugin, Page Links 2. Okay? So once you've got that in, then you're going to go to Pages, and you're going to add new page. And we're going to call our page naming protocols Neil would be AB1, for instance. All right, that's the name of our page. But the important thing is on screen options, make sure that you've got the right thing highlighted. Page links to is highlighted, so if it wasn't, just make sure that's highlighted. Then you can scroll down. All this appears. Page links to its normal WordPress URL or a custom WordPress word link URL. And now I'm going to take my thing, my storefront optimized search term URL, add it in there. You do not want to open it in a new tab. Click on publish. Bada boom, bada bing. Now I've got a page that auto redirects. So here's the permalink, AB1, and that's what you would use in your Facebook ad. And if I open that, you'll see it auto redirects to that page. So that's the easiest way to do an auto redirection. Now, final thing is, in here, make sure it's on text, and this is where you'd add your scripts for FB plus Google. So your scripts for Facebook and Google pixel codes go in there, and that's how you pixel them without them knowing that you're pixeling them. Dead easy to do. So that's a free way to do it, all right? If you want to go a little bit more advanced, then link tracker, linkttracker.com will also do that for you. And there's good reasons to use that when you get more advanced in what you're doing. But for, again, 97% of the time, what I've just shown you is free and will work perfectly. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.